JJ.A.C Tech Channel. TP-Link Tapo C320WS 2K QHD Outdoor Security Wi-Fi Camera. Unboxing and Demonstration. Package Contents. Installation Guide. Warranty Card. Mounting Template. Power Adapter. Tapo C320WS Unit. Anchors, screws, and a waterproof seal. Quick setup, easy to install.
Nice.
Motion detection and notifications. Notifies you when the camera detects movement. Please keep on dancing. Every second is clear and bright in 2K QHD. IP66. Cope with extreme weather professionally. Brighter, even for starlight. Higher quality images even in low light conditions. Sight in full color at night. Tapo C320WS has a high-resolution sensor and a fill light to capture more colors. TP-Link Tapo C320WS 2K QHD Outdoor Security Wi-Fi Camera. By now. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.